Deep Fill Washer Troubleshooting Washer. Not draining solutions. A washer that doesn't drain is frustrating. There are several reasons why your Deep Fill washer may not be draining properly. By addressing common issues, you can get your washer back to normal. Here are some steps to troubleshoot the problem. Clean drain pump filter. The drain pump filter can get clogged with debris. This stops water from draining. You need to clean it regularly. First, unplug the washer. Locate the drain pump filter. It's usually at the bottom front of the washer. Open the filter cover. Remove any debris or lint. Replace the filter and cover. Keeping the drain pump filter. Clean ensures smooth drainage. Inspect. Drain hose. The drain hose can be blocked or kinked. This prevents water from draining out. Check the hose for any kinks or bends. Straighten the hose if needed. Ensure the hose is properly connected to the washer and the drain pipe. Look inside the hose for any blockages. Clear any obstructions if found. Clear and straight drain hose helps water flow out easily. Examine lid switch. The lid switch is a safety feature. It must be engaged for the washer to operate. If the lid switch is faulty, the washer will not drain. Ensure the lid is properly closed. Listen for a click when you close the lid. If there is no click, the lid switch may be broken. Test the lid switch with a multimeter. If the switch is defective, replace it. A functional lid switch is crucial for the draining process. Noted. If you want to know more details, you can visit this website HelloTroubleshooting.com.